This is going to be a video tutorial on how to wrap text around an image in Microsoft Word. I will be using Microsoft 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To wrap text around an image, the first thing I'm going to do is insert an image. The way that I'm going to do it is just simple drag and drop. I'm going to select an image from here. I'm going to drag it across. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button, drop my image in there. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drag in on my corner. I'm going to downsize my image a little bit, about like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select my image. My image is selected. I'm going to click on this little box right up here. That is your layout options. And I'm going to choose either square or tight. Square or tight. I'm going to do square. Now I can move my image wherever I want. And as you can see, the text is now wrapping around my image. Another thing I can do, say that I wanted to put my image right up here, I can select the text here. I kind of like to do this. I can select the text right next to my image. I can go up to the top. I am currently on the Home tab. And in the paragraph area, right up here, if you put your mouse cursor over this, it says Justify. I'm going to click on Justify. And that kind of squares off my text with my image real nice. That is how to wrap text around an image in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.